Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Drift Dreams 11. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary off-road heavy-duty trucks in America, the all-new 2025 Ram 2500 Power Wagon. If you thought heavy-duty pickups were just about towing and hauling, think again. The Power Wagon takes rugged capability, brute strength, and modern tech, and fuses it into one of the most off-road ready machines you can buy straight from the factory. The 2025 Ram Power Wagon is built to look as tough as it performs. Up front, you've got that bold Ram signature grille with a blacked-out finish, flanked by sleek LED headlights for a modern yet aggressive look. The hood sits high and muscular, signaling the raw power under it. This truck rides on 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels wrapped in chunky 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac all-terrain tires. Wide fender flares and skid plates underneath hint that this isn't your everyday workhorse, this is a truck made to conquer trails, boulders, and mud. And to add to its practicality, you get features like the RAM box storage system, a factory winch rated at 12,000 pounds, tow hooks, and heavy-duty rock rails, all ready for the wild straight out of the dealership. Step inside, and the Power Wagon doesn't just scream rugged utility, it also feels premium. Ram has given it one of the nicest interiors in the heavy-duty truck segment. You'll find durable yet upscale materials, available leather-trimmed seats, and tons of storage compartments. The centerpiece is Ram's massive 12-inch Uconnect 5 infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and off-road pages that show you pitch, roll, and even axle articulation. Behind the wheel, a fully digital 12-inch driver display gives you customizable layouts, while an optional Harman Kardon audio system keeps things sounding crisp even on muddy trails. Now let's talk about what makes the Power Wagon a beast. Under the hood, you'll find a 6.4-liter Hemi V8 pumping out 410 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. While you won't get the Cummins diesel option here due to weight and off-road balance, this Hemi engine is tuned for both brute strength and reliability. Off-road, the Power Wagon really sets itself apart. It comes standard with solid front and rear axles, electronically disconnecting sway bars for better articulation, front and rear locking differentials, and Bilstein off-road shocks. This means it can crawl over rocks, dig through deep ruts, and handle terrain that most heavy-duty trucks wouldn't dare to touch. And when it comes to work duty, it still pulls its weight. With a towing capacity of up to 10,620 pounds and a payload of around 1,560 pounds, it's not the class leader. But remember, the Power Wagon prioritizes off-road capability over sheer towing numbers. That balance makes it unique. Ram didn't skimp on tech and safety either. You've got advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, lane keep assist, and a surround view 360-degree camera system that's a lifesaver when navigating trails or hooking up a trailer. Plus, you get multiple drive modes, including an off-road mode, which optimizes throttle response and traction control for tricky conditions. It's like having a spotter built into the truck. So what makes the 2025 Ram 2500 Power Wagon stand out? It's simple, no other heavy-duty truck offers this level of off-road capability straight from the factory. Most competitors like the Ford Super Duty Tremor or Chevy Silverado HD ZR2 bring capability, but the Power Wagon has decades of heritage backing it. It's the only one with a standard factory winch, disconnecting sway bar, and both front and rear lockers, making it a true rock-crawling heavy-duty pickup. To wrap it up, the 2025 Ram 2500 Power Wagon is the ultimate blend of muscle, modern tech, and off-road dominance. It's not built for everyone. If your main priority is towing 20,000 pounds, look elsewhere. But if you want a truck that can work hard during the week and then take you deep into the wilderness on the weekend, this is the one to get. So, what do you think of the new Power Wagon? Would you take this beast over a Ford Tremor or Chevy ZR2 HD? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive reviews on the latest rides. Thanks for watching Drift Dreams 11, and I'll catch you in the next one.